Dookie. Kinfolk, what it is, Kinfolk? How you doing today? Yeah, buddy. We got us some grapes. Look how big these grapes are, Kinfolk. Look how big they are. I never do seedless grapes, but I said I had to try these mugs out. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open them up, get them open and all that. This is my breakfast. This is my breakfast. This will be the only thing I had to eat. This will be the only thing I had to eat this morning. So this is how I clean my fruit. Put them in there like that. I usually take them off the stem, but we ain't got time for that. Baking soda on that mug, cause you know it got that stuff on there for preserving the freshness. Now, put some water in that mug, spring water. Yeah, buddy. And we're gonna take them off the vine one at a time and let them soak. Look at that, Kinfolk. Look at that big old grape. I mean, that is crazy. Take them off the vines. You know the weight was crazy. Like $5 for this little bit. Got it from Publix, but yeah, buddy, Kinfolk, we about to rinse these off and enjoy. Matter of fact, we was gonna do a pour this water out, but we're gonna do it. Look at that big old. It got seeds in it though. Got a little seed in it. That ain't where it's at, Kinfolk. I guess the big ones are more bitter. More bitter than anything, but man, it's breakfast. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Big boy. I'm more bigger than my mic. All right, Kinfolk. Go home.